SAML-based SSO in Azure AD. SAML, Security Assertion Markup Language, based SSO is a type of single sign-on method using SAML protocol for federated authentication and authorization. It allows a user to log in once and gain access to multiple systems without being prompted to log in again. Types 1. SAML 1.1, older but still in use in legacy systems. 2. SAML 2.0, the most commonly used version, more secure and feature-rich. Features: federated authentication, allows cross-domain authentication using identity providers. Claims-based authorization, transmits claims, user attributes, for authorization. Single logout, allows for a single logout to end sessions on all service providers. Service Provider Initiated (SPI) and Identity Provider Initiated (IPI), two methods by which SAML SSO can be initiated. Capacity: the capacity can largely depend on your Azure subscription and the scalability of your architecture. For instance, Azure AD can process a high rate of authentication requests, but limitations may apply based on tier. Purpose and usage: the main purpose is to simplify user access across different systems and to improve security by reducing password fatigue. It's widely used in enterprise settings where multiple cloud or on-premise applications are in use. How to make use of it? 1. Configuration: configure the identity provider and service provider settings in Azure AD. 2. Mapping: map the claims to the correct user attributes. 3. Test: always test the SSO flow for any issues. 4. Monitor and audit: use Azure AD's reporting features to monitor SSO activities. Summary: SAML-based SSO is a single sign-on method using SAML protocol. Types include SAML 1.1 and SAML 2.0. Features cover federated authentication, claims-based authorization, single logout, and SPI and EP methods. Capacity is highly scalable but may have limitations based on the Azure AD tier. The primary purpose is to simplify user access across multiple systems and improve security. Usage involves configuration, attribute mapping, testing, and ongoing monitoring. Thanks for watching.